The Okinawan diet is a fascinating example of how a population can maintain good health and longevity despite consuming a relatively high amount of carbohydrates, particularly from rice. However, a closer look at their dietary habits reveals some key factors that contribute to their remarkable health outcomes. One notable aspect of the Okinawan diet is the diverse amount of fiber they consume. This fiber comes from various sources, including root vegetables like purple potatoes and sweet potatoes. These resistant starches resist digestion and stay in the intestines longer, allowing gut bacteria to feed on them. As a result, the bacteria produce beneficial short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, which nourish the gut cells and support overall health. Another important factor is that Okinawans tend to maintain a consistent caloric deficit. While they may not be in a deficit every single day, being in a deficit generally has interesting benefits related to the activation of FOXO3, a gene that helps with DNA repair and the production of endogenous antioxidants like superoxide dismutase and glutathione. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals and reduce cellular damage. The Okinawan diet also includes a fair amount of legumes and lentils, which are not grains, but rather contain beneficial nutrients. Although some people may be concerned about the presence of anti-nutrients like phytic acid in these foods, consuming them in small amounts can act as a hormetic stressor, allowing the gut to become more resilient and stronger in dealing with these compounds. Additionally, the Okinawan diet features relatively stable insulin levels due to the higher fiber and legume consumption. This stability can lead to increased autophagy and mitophagy, cellular rejuvenation processes that help maintain overall health. Lastly, the Okinawan diet includes a significant amount of seaweed, which contains compounds that act as ACE inhibitors. These inhibitors can help protect cardiovascular health and inhibit the breakdown of glucagon-like peptide 1, GLP-1, a hormone that supports the function of pancreatic beta cells responsible for producing insulin. While the Okinawan lifestyle may differ from what many people are accustomed to, incorporating some of these dietary principles, such as increasing fiber intake, maintaining stable insulin levels, and consuming a diverse range of nutrients, can help support overall health and longevity.